Hey guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Panjiri. This is a winter special recipe, a great option for new moms and during pregnancy and for the family especially because it has great immune boosting property. Now you know during winter how much we are prone to illnesses because we catch bacteria easily, infections easily. So if the family can have 1 or 2 spoons of it on a daily basis, it will improve their immunity and help them safeguard themselves from all such infections to a certain level. Now in North India, this is very famous, especially for new mothers. It is given to boost lactation, and during Satyanarayana Puja, Janmashtami, this is regularly made because they are aware, our ancestors were aware how important dry fruits are for us and to ensure our skin health, our immunity is both taken care during those tough periods when we need it the most, because you can see how our skin becomes during winter and it is really needed. So even toddlers can have it post an year or two. You can, post 2 years it is good because this is there is too much of ghee and everything in this that at least after 1.5 years you can start giving it to children. And yes, let's dive right in and see how to make this Panjiri. Let's see the list of ingredients required to make this Panjiri with coconut sugar. In a pan, I am adding ghee. This is the main ingredient of this recipe. The more you add, the nourishing and the tasty it shall be. I am adding all the dry fruits one on one here. See, I am using a non-stick tawa because I shot this video at office. Now you are at home with lots of vessels easily available. So please use iron kadai or any steel thick bottom kadai, but non-stick is not highly recommended. Now I am adding pista. If you are not able to find any one of the ingredient here except for ghee and the gond which I use, please ensure to still do it, because if you skip one ingredient it doesn't matter. I am adding kaju, but if you want the link of purchase for any product, especially watermelon seeds or something, that you can find in the description box, and even the coconut sugar, which I'll tell you later. This is walnut. Fry it again. All these are highly winter friendly and recommended for not just you and for the whole family. So please ensure giving it to your toddler a spoon or two, for your office going kid or parent or wife or husband. Anybody can have this. This is so nourishing. Now this dry grapes, sometimes it turns out too sour. So please ensure you find and buy the smaller version of dry grapes, not the longer ones. This is Makhana, now the hot favorite of the diet or weight loss industry. See, it has lot of nutrients and it is protein rich and good for everyone. Now if you ask me about the taste factor, please do not miss this, because it will add that crunchiness to your Panjiri. You are bored of eating regular home food this time, especially if you are a pregnant woman or during postpartum. You are not like liberally given everything, especially during postpartum. So have this, you would love it. And these are watermelon seeds. The purchase link would be in the description box. These are all having great nourishing properties, so ensure that you do not miss any. Now we will add more ghee this time and add gond, because to deep fry it is better. See, you did not have to mandatorily deep fry all the dry fruits, so I did not use excess ghee over there. But gond, only if it is covered well in oil, it will fluff up like this. So do add more amount of ghee, and there is no need to strain it. Anyways, every every single drop of ghee will get into your Panjiri, so it is more the merrier now. Now with that amount of ghee, we will add wheat flour. You can even try it with finger millet flour, I think, ragi powder, because in South India it is wheat is not something ideally used, but we roast ragi and make so many food out of it. So this must be good with ragi. Let me try it next time and tell me if you would like to see that version. And also comment and tell me if you would like to see more ingredients and recipes healthier for postpartum. So ensure that you continuously roast it in ghee, and once it smells good and turns into this texture, I am adding coconut sugar. This is available on our store. Otherwise you can just crush some normal gur and add it, the jaggery, and if not, add sugar powder, and then I have added dry ginger powder. See, after this wheat flour is well roasted, you just have to add jaggery and mix it. Switch off the flame, and these are the crushed dry fruits. The reason behind crushing it and not blending it in a mixture jar is the more crunchier texture the panjiri has, you will love to have it. I mean, otherwise it becomes just some boring powder. So I loved it this way. I have a bowl of it kept at my office now, just that I prepared it at office for all of you. This is winter and it is highly recommended for everybody. So do give it a try, and you can store it for a month, I think, outside, I mean in refrigerator, because there is too much of moisture in it. I would recommend you to make it in small batches and store it for a month only in refrigerator. For longer, if you want to use, freeze it. If you are a new mom and here finding out more recipes, I have few recommendations. Do check Gond ke laddu. This is similarly made in South India. Just like Panjiri, we make it using lot of dry fruits and gond, and it is made like a laddu. And urad dal laddu is also good for you because it also has great lactating properties, and garlic pepper rice is something you can have during postpartum, because garlic has a good healing property, and even for kids during cough and cold you can give this, and pepper rasam as well during cough and cold, or just like that during the night when you want something warm and spicy, you can try that. So all these recipes are given in the description box. Do check them. I'm sure you would love them. Do check our blog. There are many recipes for you and your child. On our food store, for yourself, you can check Power Protein Smoothie. That is a great health drink option with lots of dry fruits, nuts and seeds. And you can also check granola, which is ideal for new moms for your protein requirement. And for babies, again, on our food store, our specialty is baby food. So you can find porridges, instant mixes and other foods for them, like pancake and cookies. So if you like it, do check it, and do consider subscribing to this channel for more recipes like this, and it is free. And yeah, like, comment and share this video. I'll see you soon in yet another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.